Now you know that Android already had an option to clear the cache files on their applications, but today in this video we will also learn how we can do it for iPhone. So without further ado, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started with today's video. If you want to clear the cache files on the apps on your iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch settings. Now just like Android, it doesn't have complete functionality to clear only the cache files. On the case of iPhone, what you have to do is go to the option called General, then go to iPhone Storage. Then from iPhone Storage over here you'll be able to see many applications. So all you have to do is simply tap on a certain app over here. Once you tap on a certain app, you have to simply offload the app. Now obviously this is offloading and not clearing the cache. Now some applications might definitely offer you the way to clear the cache within the application. Now just like the apps like TikTok or anything like that, they will offer you a way to actually clear the cache within the app if that app offers. But aside from that, the offloading is the only way to do so. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.